Want to use SuiteDash for client reporting and analytics, but don't know where to start? In this quick explainer, we'll break down the core features of SuiteDash that will help you deliver powerful reports and track client data. But stay tuned, because towards the end, we'll dive into some alternatives that might just be better for your needs. Let's start with the basics. SuiteDash has a built-in reporting feature designed to give you an overview of client activity, allowing you to easily monitor metrics like project progress and financial data. It's a great starting point if you want a central hub to visualize all client interactions and performance. Next, SuiteDash integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM system, pulling in data about client interactions. This integration helps you consolidate everything into one place, but it can get overwhelming if you're managing a large client base. You'll need to get used to customizing the reports to avoid unnecessary noise in your analytics. The third thing to consider is SuiteDash's custom reporting. You can tailor reports to meet your exact needs, which is great for showing clients just the data they care about. However, this feature isn't the easiest to set up for beginners, and it can take a while to figure out if you want more advanced metrics. Now, the fourth thing, SuiteDash offers automated reports. These are particularly useful for clients who require frequent updates. You can set it up to automatically send out reports on a regular basis. While this can save time, there's a learning curve to setting up triggers and automations correctly. Don't expect to just plug it in and go. You'll need to fine-tune it to make it work smoothly. Next up, the fifth thing, SuiteDash does allow you to create custom dashboards for each client. This can be a huge benefit when presenting data in a way that makes sense to them. The downside, though, is that the interface isn't always as intuitive as you might hope. Navigating between different sections of SuiteDash can feel a bit clunky, especially if you're trying to manage multiple dashboards at once. Finally, the sixth thing, SuiteDash does provide a good amount of flexibility with file sharing and client communication. You can easily share documents and reports through the platform, streamlining communication. But if you're dealing with a large volume of clients or reports, it's not as fast or scalable as some other tools. Now, you've seen how SuiteDash offers a comprehensive suite of tools for client reporting and analytics. But before you dive into this, I want to share something else with you. While SuiteDash is solid, it might not be the easiest platform to get into, and there are better options if your goal is to get smooth, scalable analytics fast. So, here's the deal. We've partnered with the best alternatives that provide you with a more intuitive, easy-to-use interface while still delivering solid client reporting and analytics. These options also offer a free trial, and through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Make sure to check the link in the description for your free trial, and take advantage of the great alternatives we've highlighted. They're built to give you what you need for client reporting and analytics without the learning curve.